Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we'll talk about the most expensive cars in the world. What are they and how much do they cost? We've gathered a collection from 10 most expensive cars all over the world. These rolling art pieces encapsulate the priorities of the 1%, and in that universe these are truly mind-boggling machines, and we would like to count down our favorite ones for you here. Number 10. Mansory Vivere Bugatti Veyron, that is worth 3.4 million US dollars. This list wouldn't be complete without some version of the mighty Bugatti Veyron. We are shining our spotlight on the Mansory Vivere edition here because not only it is one of the fastest cars in the world, it's one of the most expensive, with a top speed of 267.856 miles per hour, and the power output is 987 horsepower. The wheelbase measures 106.7 inches with the length of 175.7 inches. Its width is 78.7 inches and the height measures 45.6 inches. The Bugatti Veyron EB 16.4 is a mid-engine sports car. Designed and developed in Germany by Volkswagen Groups and manufactured in Molsheim, France by French automobile manufacturer Bugatti. It was named after the racing driver Pierre Veyron. Number 9. W Motors Lykan Hypersport that costs 3.4 million US dollars. The Hypersport is the first car to have headlights with embedded jewels. They contain titanium LED blades with 440 diamonds. The Lykan Hypersport is powered by a 3.7-liter power output of 780 horsepower. The Lykan Hypersport was available with either a 6-speed sequential manual or a 7-speed dual clutch transmission. This car is equipped with a forged aluminum wheels with diameter of 19 inches at the front and 20 inches at the rear. The manufacturer claims a top speed of 245 miles per hour. The car has claimed acceleration times of 2.8 seconds for 62 miles per hour. A Lykan Hypersport was featured in the film Furious 7. Number 8. Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus that puts a price on 3.9 million US dollars. Bugatti presented a limited production high-performance variant of Chiron called the Chiron Supersport 300 Plus. The car is powered by 1177 kilowatts quad turbocharged W16 engine nicknamed Thor, maximum speed in excess of 300 miles per hour. Number 7. Lamborghini Veneno, value 4.5 million US dollars. The car is absolutely stunning from every angle, and to this day we are not convinced it isn't an alien spacecraft. It doesn't seem real. The only thing more remarkable than the look is the price, 4.5 million US dollars. The engine is development of Aventador 6.5-liter V12 and generates a power output of 740 horsepower at 8400 rpm. The design of the Veneno is a large departure from the previous styling of Lamborghini models. The Lamborghini Veneno has a top speed of 221 miles per hour and has a 60 miles per hour acceleration time of 2.8 seconds. Its dimensions are as follows. The wheelbase measures 106.3 inches with the length of 197.6 inches. Its width measures 81.7 inches with a height of 45.9 inches. Number 6. Koenigsegg CCXR Truveta, worth 4.8 million US dollars. Truveta is a Swedish abbreviation that translates into 3 whites. The Koenigsegg visible carbon weave bodywork is re-owned around the globe for its uniqueness and perfection. The acceleration measures from 0 to 60 miles per hour with a top speed of 254 plus miles per hour. The fuel consumption shows on the highway travel is 18 1 by 100th kilometer. Combined it goes to 22 1 by 100th kilometer, and the engine is of capacity of 4.8 liters. Number 5. Pagani Huayra Imola. Pagani revealed a hardcore Huayra nicknamed the Dragon that was commissioned by Russian tuning firm Top Car Design. Like Ferrari's XX program, the Huayra Imola is a rolling testbed for upcoming technologies, some of which may feature on Huayra's successor, 60 miles per hour sprint in 2.3 seconds. There's more power on tap with 6 liters twin turbocharged V12 mated to a 7-speed sequential transmission, now tuned to deliver 827 horsepower. Not bad at all. Number 4. Mercedes Maybach Exelero. It cost 8 million US dollars. The Exelero is powered by a twin-turbo V12 engine made by the defunct Maybach. Engine is of 5.9 liters and 5908 cc. Mercedes-Maybach Exelero has a top speed of 351 kilometers per hour. It goes to 218 miles per hour. And 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, that is 0 to 62 miles per hour, acceleration time of 4.4 seconds. The main materials used in construction of Excelero's interior are dark and red leather, neoprene, glossy black carbon fiber, and aluminium accents. The Excelero has sport seats with red harness-style seatbelts. Number 3. Bugatti Cento Diaci, that values $9 million. The car takes design cues from EB110, such as the 5-round air intakes, which resembles a diamond, and the wedge-shaped design. Narrow headlights with LED daytime running function and a sharp grooves are used to create an aggressive appearance. It goes to 62 miles per hour in 2.4 seconds. Its curb weight is 1976 kgs with the transmission equal to 7-speed dual clutch. The Cento Diaci will be the hand-built in Bugatti's Moltrim factory and deliveries to customers will start in 2021. Number 2. Rolls-Royce Sweptail put a figure on $12.8 million. The Rolls-Royce Sweptail is one of the large luxury cars made in United Kingdom by Rolls-Royce Motor Cars. The most expensive new automobile in the world, costing around $12.8 million, which has a power output of 338 kilowatts. The engine capacity is 6.75 liters. The Rolls-Royce Sweptail is hand-built and inspired by coach building of 1920s and 1930s. Last but not the least, number 1. Bugatti La Voiture Noire, which has a market price of $18.7 million, with a price tag of $12.5 million and a selling price of $18.7 million after taxes. The one of Bugatti La Voiture Noire is officially most expensive new car ever. La Voiture Noire uses the same quad-turbo 8 liters engine and producing 1479 horsepower torque that propels it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds. It has a quad-turbo W16 engine with a top speed of 261 miles per hour.